Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to make fried chicken with sweet buttery sauce. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. So obviously our main ingredients is the chicken, and the chicken I use over here is chicken thigh, which is, I really like it because you can overcook and still juicy in the end. So I'm using for about 500 to 600 grams of chicken thigh here, or chicken drumstick, to be honest with you. And now we're gonna marinate it first. So now, usually before I marinate it, I prep my chicken. So I score on the thickest part of the meat about 2 times. On the other side also. Just like that, and then we're gonna marinate it with our marinations. For the marinations, you will need half teaspoon of MSG, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of chicken powder, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're gonna mix this. And now we're gonna marinate this for about at least an hour, but if you want to make a good result, you can marinate this for overnight. While we're marinating our chicken, we're gonna create the sauce. For the sauce, you will need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of butter, green onions. So as separate into, this is the white part and this is the green part. The green part, I'm going to use it for garnishing. This one is onion, so 1 medium onion, and then I just slice it. And then 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, about a thumb size of ginger, and then this is a mix between the Thai chili and the big chili. So now for another sauce, you will need 1 teaspoon of MSG, just a touch of white pepper, about 1/4 of teaspoon. The chili sauce, you can use sriracha if you don't have this one. You need for about 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons. Sweet soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Dark soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon. Now we're just gonna mix it. So after you mix it evenly, we're gonna put it aside for now. For the ginger, thumb size, I cut it in 4 parts, and then you can just crush it. Put it on the side. And then now for the garlic, you want to just slice it. So when it's all done, now let's get started cooking. So the marination is done. I marinated for about an hour. So now we're gonna fry it. Make sure your oil is hot. You're looking for about 350 degrees. So we're gonna fry this until it's cooked. You're looking about 7 to 8 minutes. Usually what I do, I take a fork and then try to stab the chicken just to make sure it's done or not. Alright, so when it's done, this is what it looks like. Nicely golden brown color. So now we're gonna put this on the side and then we're gonna start cooking with the butter and all the sauce. The chicken is done. We're gonna start cooking with the sauce. So first thing first, all the butter I melted. And I'm gonna put it in the garlic, the white part of green onion, ginger, and the chili. We're gonna cook this until it's become aromatic. Okay, so you wanna cook this on a medium high heat or medium heat. You want it nice and slow until it's aromatic. Now once it's aromatic, you wanna add the water, about 100 to 100 mils of water. And then now the sauce that we make. So we're gonna bring this sauce to a boil and then we're gonna add the chicken when it's boiling. Now as you can see, the sauce is boiling. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Now we're gonna cook this for another 5 minutes. Make sure all the chicken is coated into the sauce. So after 2 minutes in, now last but not least, I'm gonna add the onion. Oh, already cooked 5 minutes. Now to thicken the sauce, I'm gonna use the cornstarch. Just a little bit. So now it's ready to go. We're gonna put it on a plate and serve it. Alright, so this is the final result. So now we're gonna garnish with the green part of the green onions. And there you go guys, our fried chicken with sweet buttery sauce is ready to serve. In Indonesia, we call this Ayam Goreng Mentega. So give it a try. It's really easy, it's really tasty. If you like rice, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with sambal sauce. I have a video on how to make sambal sauce. So there you go, give it a try. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.